Hello everyone and welcome back to another card tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this adorable birthday card. There's going to be a few cards over the next couple of weeks that have these plaid backgrounds, some that I made in my tutorial where I used it for the first time, and others are different ones that I make depending on who I'm giving the card to. But we're going to have a lot of fun with this plaid. So for today's card I'm using the new skinny tag die. I'm using the Enjoy Your Day sentiment in the Let's Play stamp set, a bit of an old one. I'm using Happy Birthday from this stamp set. From my virtual friends, I'm using the little mouse with the party hat. I'm also using my Sunburst Backdrop die and a plaid background that I made the other night. I'll link the video below if you'd like to watch the full video of me trialing out these new stencils, but I've pulled the footage from that one to show you how I made this specific background. So I'm using either mermaid or merman ink in this one. I'm not sure which it is, but it's one of those two beautiful colours. And I'm using my foam tool to gently dab and I guess rub it into my cardstock. I am loving these plaid stencils. They are so much fun and I am loving seeing everyone else's that they have made and getting all these ideas for colour combos. It's just so much fun. So once those thicker lines were done on that first stencil, I then switched over to my second one. And with these skinnier lines, I'm using sunflower and carrot. I feel like you can't really tell the difference between the two of these. I could have gone over it a couple of times to make the inks a little bit darker and so that you could distinctly tell the difference between the two, but I still love how it turned out. I used my Sunburst background die for this and I was really worried that it would make it look a little too much, having those stitch lines in other areas that didn't, I guess, flow exactly with the plaid lines. So at first I was worried that it didn't really look good, but I actually really love it. And I'm definitely going to be using this combo again. Here I am stamping out the Happy Birthday and my little mouse. I drew a rough line around my Happy Birthday and I'm going to cut around it, giving it a fairly big border. I'm doing this because this is going to slip behind the hole in the backdrop. I thought I'd give this just a little bit of colour as it was looking a little plain. I'm using an orange and a yellow Copic so that it kind of matches the colours of my plaid background. For my little mouse, I'm going to be colouring him in with some alcohol markers. I'm using some from the Cool Grey family. I just feel like these are the perfect little mousy colours. I'm using a light one, a dark one, and simply blending them together. I'm also going to give him some cheeks and some white details. His hat is going to be a similar colour to another one of the inks I use for the plaid background. This card doesn't really have many colours, but using them over again for things like the sentiment and for the little mouse just ties everything together really well. So on my skinny tag, I'm going to stamp Enjoy Your Day. I am already loving this die. I love it so much. It's just another cool banner, but this one's got the stitch details in it and the little wavy end, so it's just going to be lots of fun to use. So I can see myself using this one quite a lot. I use my banners almost every card, so this one's just got a bit of a different shape. I'm popping some foam squares on the back of this, and as you can see, I've popped a couple of little marks there for where I'm going to trim. I've added some PVA glue to the back of my little mouse as I'm going to stick him down at the same time as my sentiment. I added some double-sided tape. Once I had removed all the backing, it was ready to adhere to my card base. And there we have it. This card is complete. It was so simple, so easy, and so much fun to make. And if you enjoyed this video and you're excited to see more of my cards with my plaid backgrounds, then please give this video a thumbs up. Please also don't forget to subscribe to stick around to see what I make next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.